Hey Keepers, welcome back to Keeping House with Kate. This week we're going to be going through the fridge. Boom, boom, boom. It's not in terrible shape. It's been about 4 to 6 weeks, I think, since I cleaned it out. Totally guesstimating. Might have been 2 months. I don't know. But it's getting kind of grimy and overrun, and I need to go through it. I don't even know for sure what's in there. But we're coming up on summer, and I'm going to need to be stocking the fridge with snacks and stuff for the kiddos to ravage on a daily basis. So I need to get it stocked and ready to go. And right now, there looks to be no room for anything because I don't know what's in there. So let's take a look at what we've got going on and get going. Alright, so here's the freezer. Not too bad. Actually needs to have some stuff brought up from downstairs in the deep freeze. That's the kids' freezer packs. I'll probably put those downstairs because we won't be needing those throughout the summer. And those fries actually need to go downstairs, so I'll move those. And this stuff just, yeah. Everything's just stuck in there. So I need to pull this stuff out. See if there's like freezer burnt stuff. Go through all that, wipe it down. There's probably like frozen blocks of ice in there that need to be redone. Yeah, so I need to pull all that out. And oh my goodness, guys, look! It's just like shoved in there, leftovers out the yin yang. I don't even know what all's in there. I might find something growing. And the door's not terrible. Actually, we'd never even use that can thing. I don't even know why we have it in there. Because it came with the fridge. So, yeah, just need to take everything out. Give it a good wipe down. See what needs to actually be kept. And resituate everything. Let's get going. Here I'm just using Pine Sol and very hot water to wipe down the inside of the freezer and fridge. Right here I'm just showing y'all that I freeze lemon wedges as a way to drop them in my disposable to freshen the disposal and sharpen the blades at the same time. It never ceases to amaze me how much can fit in your fridge, freezer, pantry, etc. I'm not being ungrateful. We are extremely blessed. It just always surprises me the amount of food that I pull out of those areas. Ew. Do I want to know? Is that better? Mm-hmm. Alright guys, it's all done. Let's take a look. Alright, so here's the outside. All fingerprint free. Woohoo! I don't know about y'all, but our handles get funky. Not anymore. For about 10 seconds. Here is the freezer. Ta-da! Now, I will say it does help that we have a deep freezer in our garage, so I did allocate things that had migrated their way up here. It didn't really belong back down there, so I did not throw away everything that was in here. Some things, a few things, got tossed, but the majority of it got moved back downstairs. So, you saw me take things out, I wiped it out, took some things downstairs, and then put back what I wanted to keep up here. Oh, and tip for the day, when you're cleaning out your freezer, make sure you turn off your ice maker so it doesn't dump mid-clean and scare the pants off of you. Yeah. And then here is the fridge. Oh. Still has food in it, naturally. Gotta eat. But I didn't find anything growing. That was a plus. It looks better now. Cheese. Little tip, turntables in the fridge are handy dandy for little stuff that you don't get to a whole lot, like okra and cherries and stuff. So yeah, that's handy to have. So, and hey, any tips on, oh, of course now it's not going to show up, but usually right here, probably because it was cold in there now, but usually if I have the fridge open for a second, you can see the ring here from where they use the suction cups. Oh, it's starting to show up now. I've cleaned and cleaned and cleaned this fridge, and I can't get that ring to disappear. So if you have a hint or tip or whatever to get that ring to go away, it's on the underside of the glass where they laid the glass in there. Please share, because it's driving my OCD, I guess you would call it, crazy. They're up here too. It's kind of hard to see on camera. And it's driving me cuckoo. See it? Can you see it? Yeah. So, if you have a tidbit, share the love, please. So yeah. It's organized. Good to go. Fresh veggies. There's a little wiggle room in there. I did just go grocery shopping yesterday, so it is freshly stocked. Sort of. I've got some freezer room for the kids for summer, but it's a work in progress. It's better than it was, certainly cleaner than it was. I hope you got some inspiration from this video. If you're new, drop a comment, say hi. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next week. Until then, peace and love, y'all. Peace and love.